Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will explore the world of brave lumberjacks and their highly skilled work. Get ready to witness professional woodcutting techniques and learn valuable safety tips. Let's get started. Would you like to see these guys tug of war with tree stumps? The process of moving and cutting down trees in your large residential area is extremely difficult, requiring high accuracy in assessing the height of the tree, the diameter of the trunk, the natural inclination, and most importantly, a safe distance from people. Removing dead trees in the forest is essential to make space for other trees to grow. These decaying giants pose a potential danger to hikers as they can collapse at any time. Working at height is an extremely difficult challenge that requires a strong mind and skillful balancing skills to complete. His reward for cutting down the fallen tree is a car. This video will answer that question for you. It's like a war between man and nature, a small lumberjack and his giant friend. Your time is up. Your old friend may be over. I did it. Take your picture. Do you dare to try this? Oh my God, it's dangerous. The tree is half rotten. He is so brave to dare to cut this tree. My lesson. Oh my God. The tree must have wanted to express his intense love in a special way. But it seems the house doesn't really agree with this kind of a hug. You witness a magnificent sight of a living monument collapsing with dust in the final climax. It resonates with the vibrations of the earth and the sky. Oh, what a docile tree. Maybe this guy negotiated with the tree before cutting it down, and the tree agreed to fall in the right place. Oh, this is a perfect example of how nature always knows how to surprise you. Never underestimate the tall giants. They can knock you down at any time. For large trees, professional workers saw around the base of the tree several times and use wedges to adjust the tilt. This technique helps the tree fall safely and accurately, thus minimizing risk. The fall was carefully planned, but he forgot about the branches above. What was the most impressive moment for you? He was fighting a giant. Cutting down a giant tree is not as simple as you think. It requires the lumberjack to have knowledge, skills, and strength. These skills must be honed and performed with high precision, because even a small mistake can lead to unpredictable accidents. The sound of the saw is so satisfying as to give the logging world a new lease on life. It's scary, everything was perfect, but I don't understand why he ran towards danger. Luckily, this accident didn't happen to him. Never be complacent with such a dangerous job. The small guy cutting down a giant tree is not as simple as you think. It requires the lumberjack to have knowledge, skills, and strength. These skills must be honed and performed with high precision, because even a small mistake can lead to accidents. The tree, with such a strange shape, everything collapsed and shattered spectacularly, the cracking sound like a gunshot. Hats off to those who are brave and tough enough to keep the wood flowing. Watching a professional fell a large tree is like watching a performance. Every saw stroke is precise and gentle, but you can't help but feel nervous as the large tree falls. Cutting down a large dead tree is not as simple as cutting the tree stump in half, but requires many steps to remove hidden dangers. First, large branches with large inclinations are heavy and dry branches that can break and fly away. Only after dealing with these dangers can you proceed to the final step of cutting down the tree stump. This tree has definitely decided to retire early. It suddenly quit, probably looking for a less stressful job. Sharp images, smooth and precise action, and great sound. These elements create an irresistible appeal that makes it hard for you to stop watching, right? Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button to support us to continue these exciting missions. He was impressed to see the steel chainsaw easily handle a large oak log. The power and performance of this saw is truly remarkable, proving its superior ability in cutting large diameter tree trunks. This is definitely the top choice for professional logging jobs that require high productivity work. If I were him, I would choose to stand my ground and pull the tree down instead of risking climbing the tree and falling painfully. Like the final battle in the jungle. Leave a comment below if our video amazed you. Your support will fuel our creative fire to make the next video. Oh, how many years do you think it has stood there to develop until now? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Your feedback gives us more motivation to create the next videos. Looks like someone forgot the golden rule of thumb. Screen perfect wood, accurate. Judgment of tree height makes work easy and safe. Amazing technique. Watching you fall down that giant tree is like watching an artist complete their masterpiece. Felling trees in densely populated areas comes with significant risks. Even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. The first step in felling a tree is to carefully assess the height of the tree trunk, the diameter of the trunk, the natural inclination, and most importantly, a safe distance from neighboring structures.